You may have watched a few of my YouTube videos or come across my website and heard me reference my client list. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some detail about what is in that list and why it may benefit you. My name is Michael Fiery and I am with Field Tech Academy, and my goal is to help technicians make more money in this freelance IT tech industry. So let's get right into what is in my client list. What exactly does my client list have in it? Obviously, it has the names of these different clients. I've also added some more information. I put everything together in a spreadsheet. Obviously, we're going to have the name of every client that is in the list. We're going to have the type, whether they are a platform like Field Nation and WorkMarket, or whether they're a contract client, and that is just you and them having a contract together. This column will show you the lifetime revenue that I've generated, just to kind of give you perspective on what I've made, to give you an idea of which ones you might want to focus on first. This gives you an idea of how they send their work orders. Are they sent by email, or are they on a website? Are they in an app? Every client has their own procedure. The rate type column is going to go over how they pay. Some of them are strictly hourly. Some of them are a mix of flat and hourly. It just gives you an idea of what you can expect in terms of the types of pay. The typical pay rate column goes over what I've negotiated in terms of pay rates with these clients. Obviously, with a platform, it's going to depend on the buyer that's putting the ticket on the platform. I live in the Midwest. The cost of living here is lower. And I'm not in a massive city like Dallas or Los Angeles or New York. Those cities, the cost of living is higher. The competition is also higher. So the rates can be different in different parts of the countries. But at least in my spreadsheet, it gives you an idea of where to start. Okay, I know this guy has made this much money per hour or this much money per project. So that gives you an idea of what you can negotiate. And by all means, if you can negotiate higher and make more, go for it. Payment terms, that tells you, okay, this client's going to pay net 30, this one's going to pay net 15, this one's going to pay net 60. That way you know what to expect when you're billing them. This column will give you an idea of how you're going to bill them. Are you going to email an invoice? Are you going to do it in an app? Are you going to close it on a website? Then the onboarding method. Are you going to go to a website to join their company? Are you going to do it through an email system? Then where I have a contact, I've listed the actual name and phone number and email of their onboarding person. Obviously, if it's a website, there's no onboarding person, so that's blank for those people. And as I go through this and I get new clients or I get new updates, I always send out emails to people who have bought the list to give them updates of, hey, I just found a new client, or hey, I just negotiated a new rate with this client, so that you will know, okay, hey, now I can try to renegotiate my rate with them. If they are a website-based one, then I've listed the onboarding website where you'll go to actually sign up for that client. I've had a lot of people ask about Canada, and I'm still working on finding out from these different clients if they operate in Canada. If you're in Canada, I really wouldn't encourage you to buy this list because I don't have confidence that you can make money off of this list. This really should be strictly for US residents. I've got their onboarding website. I also have their main company website. That way you can go research them and get information on them. But I'll tell you, most of the clients in this list, I've vetted them, I've worked with them, I've been paid for them. The only one that I will give you caution on is Barrister. I have not had good success with Barrister. I've talked to Peter, and you'll see I've got an interview on my YouTube channel from Peter, and he makes money off of them and has no problems with them. So it is possible. But that's one client that I would say you need to be cautious about. It would definitely not be one of the first ones I would sign up with. I also list their main company address. Then we go into their insurance coverage. This is going to show you what do they require coverage-wise on commercial auto, commercial general liability, and workers' comp. You'll find that some of the clients have different levels of coverage requirements. So what I've done is I've just found which client requires the most. For example, one requires $2 million of general liability. Maybe another one only requires $1 million. Well, my policy covers $2 million. It's easier just to take my policy to $2 million, and that covers all the requirements for all the clients. If you're a good tech with good skill sets, there's no reason you can't sign up with these clients and make good money very, very quickly. I strongly believe you will more than make up for the cost of the list. If you would like to buy my client list, there is a link in the description that you can click directly to it. Of course, you can go to my website at fieldtechacademy.com, look at the products page. If you got value from today's video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and be sure to check out my website at fieldtechacademy.com to see the downloads that I have available or to buy the client list. As always, let's get you out in the field making money. I'll see you in the next video.